Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-Keto and Low-Carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite 5-minute recipe for bread, which is gluten-free and very easy to make. So straight into the ingredients: beat up 2 eggs and place into a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your preferred keto sweetener. Then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix. This is optional. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon of black seed. After, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of lupin powder. I find mine on Amazon UK and lately in Morrison's. And mix well. And this is the consistency that we're aiming for. Then place your bread mixture into your desired pan or dish. I brushed some olive oil before placing the mixture. So you can place your dish into a microwave for about 7 minutes. However, it will cook, but it won't brown. So today I will place my dish into an air fryer, which will cook and brown at 170 for around 5 minutes. Our easy to make bread is now ready. It's lovely and golden. I'm gonna leave it to cool down for a bit. Our bread is now ready. It's lovely and golden on both of the sides. It's easy to cut. I love to use this kind of bread for toast. It's lovely for breakfast and making sandwiches. Any questions, please leave them below. Please let me know if you try it out. And until next time.